I have powers now?
Yeah, but... No.
If your turn signals are blinking too fast, it could just be Hyperflash. So usually after replacing your bulbs to LED, they can do something like this. It's very common, but it's actually a pretty quick fix. So today we're just gonna calm these little bulbs down and bring them down to regular speed. I actually didn't have this issue before since I was using my Oxydo LED switchbacks, but they recently went out after a year. So I just went ahead and installed these Sylvania replacements. The Sylvanias are not as bright as the Oxydos, but they are reliable, so that's why I keep them as a backup. And later on, I may upgrade to a better model from Oxydo. For now, I'm just gonna be running this, but I do have to fix that Hyperflash today. To get rid of the Hyperflash or maybe other issues you're having after replacing the LED bulbs, usually on these trucks, replacing the flasher relay under this panel will fix that problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by removing the two 7mm, holding it in place. And now with the cover off, we can see that the flasher relay is located in this area. All you have to do is pry a little bit in this section because of this clip, and it should let you slide the relay right out. I'll be using a 90-degree pick. So all you want to do is pull the tab a little bit back, just like this, and try not to break it because it is kind of brittle. After that, you can just wiggle the relay right out, and it should be good to go. Can be a little bit tight. All right, there it is. This is my factory flasher relay, and you can see the bottom tab where it's being held on. And whenever you're shopping for a new one, you do want to be careful because sometimes they're a little bit bigger. So you want to get the correct size and also the year, make, and model. In this case, you can see that I have two separate ones here. The one that I'll be using is this one today, and I'll also have a link down below in the description for you guys. But this one is a little bit bigger. Even though it does have the correct pins and everything, it just doesn't fit. So you want to be careful and not order the wrong one. This is going to be good for the 99-02. You can see it's a little bit smaller. Here's a better size comparison. As you can see, this one is much bigger and taller. So just make sure you get the right one. I'll have that link down below in the description. And if you have a 03 to 06 Tahoe or Silverado, the flasher relay is bigger than this one. It's almost the same size as these three, but I'll link that down below in the description for you guys as well. So now I can put in my new flasher relay and just make sure that the single pin goes on the bottom, just like this, and it should have no issues going in. Just make sure your relay's pushed all the way in because this one doesn't have this locking tab on the bottom. So let me go ahead and try it out right here. All right, and you can see it's working good. And you can actually hear the relay working at normal speed.